little cute bunny. Oh my god, she's so funny. Oh my god, she moves so fast. She camouflages with our carpet. Hey, where are you? She loves the plants. Uh-oh. Now I know what she likes to eat. No way, Jose. She's eating my plant. Okay. We gotta move that plant away. Hey, I'm giving you food to eat. Stop eating my plant.
She's so smart.
She's like, okay, I'm in a forest. Let me eat those plants.
She thinks she's in a forest. She's allowed to eat the plants, and when she goes the other way, she's out of the forest.
Hey, honey bunny, don't eat my plant. Come and eat your food in your...
Sana çok da sayamam. Mike.
Utuma. That's nice. I just saw her eating a couple of leaves just now. Wow.
She's so smart, man.
Honey bunny.
Watch it by his kiss.
Hey, honey bunny.
Where's our little bunny going?
Little bunny is running around the house.
Are you gonna zoom in?
Okay, look. Did she come out?
Yeah.
Look, she's so... Oh my god. Ella, careful.
Okay.
Oh, she's so much fun.
I hope she doesn't
Oh
chew
my
those
gosh.
lights.
Yeah, if she chews them, she'll destroy them. Honey bunny, no chewing the lights. Look. Let's go, Marito. Vaz vazela. Just go eat your breakfast. Can you?
I want to look at her.
Can you please? Oh gosh. You're looking at her all day long. Oh, there she is. Where are you, honey bunny? Ah, she went to her
She's not
place.
inside yet. Okay, now she's inside.
Maybe she's hungry or she wants to rest.